Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn class 12 science mathematics chapter number 10 vector algebra exercise 10.3 question number 1 and 2.
Question number 1. Find the angle between two vectors A and B with magnitude under root 3 and 2 respectively, having vector A dot vector B is equals to under root 6. So here dot product is given and we have to find out angle. So we have to recall the formula for finding dot product. So we know that vector A dot vector B is equals to magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B cos theta. Now we have to find angle. So we have to find out theta. So we can write cos theta is equals to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. So we have to use this formula for finding angle. Okay, so we have to write down cos theta equal to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. Now put the value of vector A dot vector B is under root 6 upon magnitude of vector A is under root 3 and magnitude of vector B equal to 2. So we can write under root 3 into 2. Now in numerator root 6 is given, so we can write 3 2s are 6, so we can write root 3 into root 2. Same as in denominator, we can write under root 3 into 2 is equals to root 2 into root 2. Okay, yes or no? So now root 3 cancel out, root 2 cancel out. So our answer is 1 upon root 2. Now see, so the value of cos theta is equals to 1 by root 2. So 45 degree, cos 45 degree equal to 1 by root 2. So the value of theta is equals to 45, or we can write in radian form pi by 4. Is it clear? So theta equal to pi by 4. So the angle between two vectors is pi by 4. Next, question number 2. Find the angle between the vectors I minus 2j plus 3k and 3i minus 2j plus k. So here we have to write down vector A equal to I minus 2j plus 3k and vector B equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. So we have to use same formula, cos theta equal to vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of vector A into magnitude of vector B. So first of all we have to find out magnitude of vector A, then find out magnitude of vector B, and then we have to find dot product of given two vectors, means vector A into vector B, and then put the value of vector A dot vector B, magnitude of A and magnitude of vector B. So first of all we have to find out magnitude of vector A. So magnitude of vector A is given by under root 1 square plus minus 2 square plus 3 square. So is equals to 1 plus 4 plus 9. It gives under root 14. Same as vector B of magnitude is equals to under root 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 1 square. So is equals to 9 plus 4 plus 1. Again it gives under root 14. Next we have to find out vector A dot vector B. So 1 3s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4 plus 3 1s are 3. So our answer is 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10. Now we have to use formula and put the value of magnitude of vector B and A as well as magnitude vector A dot vector B. So is equals to 10 upon under root 14 into under root 14. But under root 14 into under root 14 is 14. So we can write 10 by 14. So here we can write 5 2s are 10 upon 7 2s are 15. So 2 cancel out. So our answer is 5 by 7. So theta equal to, we can write cos inverse 5 by 7. So the angle between the given vectors is cos inverse 5 by 7.